At the edge of land and sea lies one of the most powerful ecosystems on Earth. Not a concrete wall, not a machine, but a forest. This is the Sundarbans, the largest mangrove forest in the world. A living shield where rivers meet the ocean, shaped by tides, mud, and time. Here, nature quietly performs a task that technology still struggles to match, protecting coastlines, people, and life itself. Spanning more than 9,600 square kilometers across India and Bangladesh, the Sundarbans is the world's largest delta. It was formed by the mighty Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers. This vast network of islands, creeks, and forests absorbs floods, slows storms, and stabilizes fragile land where millions live at the front line of climate change. The global importance of the Sundarbans is widely recognized. Large parts are designated as Ramsar wetlands of international importance. Protected areas on the Indian side have been listed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1987. But these titles only hint at the forest's real value, what it does every single day for people and the planet. For millions of people, the Sundarbans is not a distant wilderness. It is a source of food, income, and protection. Fish, shrimp, honey, and other forest products support local livelihoods. Mangroves shield homes from cyclones, tidal surges, seawater intrusion, and flooding. When storms strike, these forests reduce damage long before emergency aid ever arrives. Yet this vital ecosystem is under growing pressure. Rising sea levels, stronger cyclones, erosion, air pollution, and reduced freshwater flows are weakening mangrove health. Unsustainable agriculture and aquaculture practices accelerate the damage, especially in non-protected areas. As land disappears and salinity increases, mangroves struggle to regenerate, leaving coastlines and communities dangerously exposed. The loss of mangroves has real and immediate consequences. Flooding becomes more frequent. Fish populations decline. Livelihoods tied to fishing and forest resources erode. Climate change magnifies every impact, turning environmental degradation into a social and economic crisis for already vulnerable coastal communities. This is why mangrove restoration matters. Restoration is not simply planting trees. It is about rebuilding entire ecosystems, restoring soil, water flows, biodiversity, and resilience. Healthy mangroves stabilize shorelines, capture and store large amounts of carbon, and bring marine life back to degraded coastal waters. In the Indian Sundarbans, a new initiative aims to restore 60 hectares of degraded mangrove habitat. Aligned with India's Mishti program, the effort places communities at its center. Understanding local livelihoods, resource dependence, and vulnerabilities ensures restoration creates long-term environmental recovery alongside economic opportunity and local stewardship. Mangrove restoration strengthens climate resilience, protects livelihoods, and safeguards the future. When we restore nature, nature protects us in return. The science is clear, the solutions exist. The only remaining question is this: will we act in time?